أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فارحين بما آتاهم الله من فضله ويستبشرون بالذين لم يلحقوا بهم من خلفهم الله خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Al-Imran, ayat number 170. In this ayat, Allah tells us the special qualities of the people who are killed in the way of Allah, and their message that is for us from them, that reflects from this ayat. We will read it, we will understand, inshallah. So Allah said, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Farihina, happy, they are happy, bima, on that one, whatever atahumullahu, whatever has been blessed to them by Allah. So they are happy what has been granted to them by Allah. Min fadlihi, with his blessings. Farihina bima atahumullahu min fadlihi. They are happy with that what has been granted to them by Allah, with his blessings. وَيَسْتَبْشِرُونَ, and they have happy news. بِالَّذِينَ, for them, lam yalhaku, who had not joined them, min khalfihim, but they are behind and possible to join them soon. Allah khawfun alayhim, and on them there will be no fear. Wala hum yahzanun, and they will not be sad. Farihina bima atahumullahu min fadlihi wa yastabshiruna billazina lam yalhaqu bihim min khalfihim. Allah khawfun alayhim wala hum yahzanun. They are happy with what has been granted to them by Allah with his blessings, and they feel pleased with happy news for them who had not joined them, still behind, but possible to join them soon. So on them there will be no fear and there will be no sadness. So they will not be sad at all. So in this ayat, the first part of the ayat is telling us farihina bima atahumullahu min fadlihi. So these people who has been killed in the way of Allah, so those martyr people, or your shuhada, they are blessed people. Farihina, they are very happy. Bima atahumullahu min fadlihi, with what they have got from Allah. Whatever Allah blessed them, granted them, they are very happy with that. So because Allah granted them min fadlihi, with His blessings, so it means many times, because sometimes the reward is you have done one reward, but the return is million billion times. So this is so much blessings of Allah that is falling on those people who are shuhada, who are martyrs, who died, who killed in the way of Allah. So they are the people getting so many blessings of Allah and so many mercies of Allah and so many things in the paradise they are getting, and so much we can't expect in this world. So that is the first part, which is telling us that they are so much happy with those things, with those blessings which they got or granted by Allah. So they are so much happy. Now when they are so much happy, then they expect that these type of blessings of Allah, mercies of Allah, special grants of Allah in the form of different type of facilities and gifts, presents, and so many so far things in the paradise. They are thinking that our brothers, our relatives, our friends who are behind us, they should be able to get that, because these are so much blessed things we have, and they should get that one. So they should be the favorite person, because that is Allah's so many blessings, we can't count it, uncountable. So they want that our other brothers and relatives and friends who are behind, they should fight for Allah. So if they die, they will be also in a position to get that. So they are expecting that. So this way, in the second part, that is giving happy news to those people who are coming behind, like وَيَسْتَبْشِرُونَ بِالَّذِينَ لَمْ يَلْحَقُوا بِهِمْ مِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ. In one hadith that is in Abu Dawood, Allah, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that these martyrs people who are shuhada, martyrs, they requested Allah that we have got so many blessings of you. Now our message, we want our message should be conveyed to our brothers who are behind. They should understand that we are having so many blessings of Allah here, and we are so much happy here, and they should understand, and then they should do the same thing. It means they should die for Allah, they should be killed in the way of Allah, and they should have a better emotion and better ambition and energy and power and love with jihad to fight with Allah, to fight with the name of Allah. So they should die and come to us, join to us, and they get the benefit whatever we are getting. they should get that, because Allah khawfun alayhim walahum yahzanun. They will not have fear, no sadness, happy every time. This way they are expecting that. So these people who have been martyred, so they are so much happy with the blessings of Allah. This way they are thinking that this happiness should be participated or should be given to those people also who are behind us, and they should come to join us and get so much blessings of Allah, happiness from Allah. And this way they were expecting that their message should be conveyed to them. So Allah said, no problem, I will convey your message. So this ayat, some part of it, the middle part of it, is the conveying the message that those people who have been killed in the way of Allah, so they are with so much blessings of Allah, so much happy they are, and they have happy news for other friends, relatives, and other Muslims who are still behind, who have not joined them. They are expecting that they should love to fight for Allah and to be killed in that one, and then join us and enjoy the benefit in terms of happiness and peaceful life. What we are getting, they should get that one also. So this is the point. This is the message that has been conveyed from this ayat by Allah to all the people of the world who are Muslims, that they should fight for Allah, they should love jihad, they should not be passive or lazy in fighting. They should be brave and fight bravely and just for Allah. If their life will go or is finished or they are killed, so killing in the way of Allah is forever life, because Allah said, you are not allowed to say those people who are killed in the way of Allah as dead. They are alive, forever alive, and they are getting the rizq from Allah, and they are so much happy with so many other blessings of Allah. So this way we have to request Allah that we should have so much ambition, love, and energy and power and motives to fight for Allah, so that we should get the special blessings of Allah when we will die in the way of Allah. Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.